Emfogo 16x11 wood bulletin boards with linen wall bulletin board for home, kitchen, office, decorative hanging pin board, frame, cork board, light bulletin boards for bedroom, pack of 2, carbonized black. Preferred materials: healthy bulletin boards made of solid wood, no plastic at the edges of the frame. The wooden board is light but tough and easy to install and carry. The wooden frame is completely free of chemicals. The bulletin board with high fiber linen can be used repeatedly for a long time, easy to nail without effort. Creative decoration: bulletin board can be used as a stylish decoration on the door of the restaurant or flower room. Classic appearance: you can be creatively decorated and placed. Sticky notes or small dried flowers can be nailed on it. Pin boards can also be used to record some important things, hang on the wall of the living room or office, can be matched with other scenes. Design any style you like. Multifunctional bulletin board: bulletin boards are ideal for displaying memories and reminders, easy to install and remove. Corkboard is very practical and decorative, very suitable for home, office, school, classroom, children's room. Suitable for memory photo, travel map, weekly plan, fixed notes, messages, pictures, memo, calendar, menu, etc. Easy to install. 2 sets of wooden bulletin boards displayed inside, size 15.5 x 10 inches, each providing 10 pushpins. You can use all conventional tacks and pushpins, safe and interesting. Easy to install to create custom bulletin boards that can be hung on the wall quickly and easily. Classic design with its natural wooden frame, the bulletin board will add luster to other spaces such as your office or living room. Quality assurance: all items are stored in a gift box in an orderly manner. In the process of receiving or using the product, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We will click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.